walking them buyers. This is buyer focused content. How to be prepared as a buyer, how to be taken seriously by business brokers, what to do to really kind of define your buy box, get pre-approved for SBA lending, how to find deals, how to analyze deals. We've got a
Cool.
tool analyzer, how to underwrite deals, all the contacts from due diligence experts to lenders to attorneys to escrow services. I've got this school community. It's totally free for buyers to go through, and they can find it any social media channel of their preference. I'm on it. They can look me up and find all sorts of videos and links to anything they want to go through.
Yeah, and we'll put that in the show notes for listeners. So I guess shifting gears, right? You kind of touched on. So far we're talking about selling, right? The sell side. Right. Let's talk about the buy side, right? How do buyers find you, and really, how do some of those early conversations go? And what are some of the? I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions. So how do some of those conversations go? How do they find you? And what have you seen maybe change over the years, right, with buyers, right? Have you seen anything change in terms of the deal size, the type of deal, the quality of the deal, all the above?
Yeah, so a couple of questions there. We'll tackle each of them. How did they find me? At this point, I've got probably 45,000 buyers on my dad in my database, segmented by industry that they're looking for. All of which who have like gone through the process. They've signed NDAs, they've signed non-disclosure processes, and so I email them listings. In fact, talking about social media, what we just talked about, I post pre-market deals about 7 days before they go public. I'll post it on my social media followers, but I'll email out to buyer database on deals that are coming up or deals that are on the market.